Hello, Miss Robertson. I was wanting to talk to you today about problem number 5 on page 447. This problem asks you to find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Okay, and this is the figure. The quadrilateral means just a four-sided figure. We want to find the perimeter of it, which means the distance around it. And so we'll have to add these four numbers to find the distance around it. One side's 3 3/4 miles, next one's 3 3/8 mile, 5 5/9 a mile, and 4 5/6 of a mile. So I'll come down here and I need to add those four numbers. Okay, so I'm going to write down the 4 5/6 plus 3 3/4 plus the 5 5/9, and finally plus the 3 3/8. Now there's a few ways we might proceed from here, but these are four mixed numbers. I think what I'll do is I'll look at the whole number part and the fractional part separately, and so I'm going to just write this as 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which are the whole number parts, and then I'll worry about the fractional part separately. So I'll have the 5/6, the 3/4, the 5/9, and the 3/8. Okay, the whole number part will be easy. Let's see, 4 plus 3 be 7, plus 5 more be 12, plus 3, and so the whole number part's 15. Now we got to work on the fractional part. What we need to do here is find a common denominator, a number which all these will go into. And so we have a 9 and an 8. It looks like it'll be a rather large common denominator here. Let's see, will all three numbers go into 72, I believe. So our common denominator is going to be 72. We're going to have to take each of these numbers and rewrite them with a denominator of 72 here. And so we have 5/6, and to rewrite it with a denominator of 72, we would have to multiply by 12 the numerator and denominator. And so 5 over 6, let's see, that'd be same as 60 over 72. If we multiply 5 times 12 and 6 times 12. 3/4, let's see, we'd have to multiply that by 18 to get a denominator of 72. So if I multiply it by 18, let's see, 18 times 4 would be 72. Then let's see, 3 times 18, that'd be 30, and 24, 54. Then I need to, let's see, 9 will go into 72 8 times, so I just need to multiply this one by 8 over 8. Let's see, what would that give me? The denominator would be 72, and so this would be 40 over 72. You could always simplify each of these fractions, and you should come back to the original fraction. I mean, you divide numerator and denominator by 8, and you come back to 5/9. This last fraction, I need to multiply by 9 to change it to how many 72s? Let's see. So 8 times 9, denominator will be 72. The numerator, 3 times 9 will be 27. Now that I have a common denominator, I need to add the numerators. And I'll come up here where I have a little bit of space, and that'll be 15. And if I add those numerators, what will I have? Well, I have something over 72. And so let's see what 60 plus 54 would be 114. If you look here, if we take 60 plus 54, that's going to be 114. And then if I add 40 more to that, that'd be what, 154. And then if I add 27, that would give me 181 over 72. Boy, these are some big numbers to work with. I can see why you had a little bit of trouble with this. Now, 181 over 72, let's see. Can I simplify that any? So I don't think I can, but I could change it to a mixed number. And so if I change 181 over 72 into a mixed number, let's see, what would I have? I'd have 2, and how many? 72. That's what over 72? Let's see. Be 37 over 72. And if I add the whole numbers here, I guess the final answer is 17 and 37 over 72. Hope this helps. Bye.